Your titties is in size 38K? Period. I love it. You look beautiful. Hey, friend. Okay, what I said. Get up here and turn the fuck up. Drop that shit, J-Bone.
I need everybody to put their hands up.
I need everybody to turn up for the motherfucking hotties on stage right now.
Turn these hands up one time.
On my knees, shaking ass on my thigh, shaking.
Say what?
That's right. Chanel, dial on my tongue. Pussy ass nigga, don't be from the club. Should I get it? Like, cause I'm a whole lot of bad. Bitch, these hoes all rats when they come around me.
It's a whole lot of bills. Yeah.
But every meal just stare at my own pasta.
Come on, pretty girl.
A cool top, I'm a pound. Bitch, new pound. And me here. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh, shaking. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh, shaking. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh, shaking. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh, shaking. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh, shaking. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh, shaking. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh, shaking. Hands on my knees. Hoes said they wish a bitch would, and I'm a genie.
Bitch so hot, gotta stay to the keys. He got a girl, but he keep begging to see me. I love it when a pow.
I'm not a patient, but I let them treat me. I got
Yo, fuck it up one time.
CC's, go to your place, no face, no case. I ain't never seen taking them blacked out.
I remember hoes used to clap for me happily. Now I'm bust up with the same hoes mad at me.
Acting like they run the whole time trying to pass me.
Watching me go through it, still trying to drag me.
Acting like you winning if you think about it. Actually, are they support
Hold
you?
on. I'm Shea Perfect Recording Academy. Thank you, hotties. Let's do it again. Hey, baby.
Meghan.
Let's do it again. Oh, somebody lost their ring.
Meghan.
Get your ring, friend.